Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the runtime error message at 44-134 could not call proc, P-R-O-C. So this error message typically occurs when you have issues with the runtime system environment. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward issue here on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing you're going to do is open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a couple commands in the description of my video here. Go ahead and copy the first one. It's a DISM scan. And then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit and paste that in. Hit enter to begin that scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. So there you go. Once it has finished, go ahead and copy and paste the second scan in the description of my video. This is a system file checker utility. Give this a couple minutes to run as well. And you can see Windows Resource Protection did find corrupt files and successfully repair them. Go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.